Hey, everyone. Picture a world where humans never ran the show. No traffic jams, no skyscrapers, no endless notifications. Instead, Earth is ruled by red pandas. That's right, those fuzzy, bamboo-chomping acrobats with the masked faces and fluffy ring tails. Sounds like a wild sci-fi dream, right? Well, grab your hiking boots, because we're swinging into a what-if adventure. What if red pandas evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Red pandas are already the superstars of the misty Himalayas. These adorable fluffballs climb trees like circus pros, using their nifty false thumb to snag bamboo and their bushy tails to balance like tightrope walkers. They're mostly solo, but love a good chirpy meetup when it's time to mingle. But what if these cuddly climbers got a serious upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're diving into how red pandas could evolve into super smart rulers, build epic treetop empires, and maybe even outshine us humans at running the planet. From misty bamboo villages to a culture of flips and twilight chirps, this is gonna be one cozy, high-altitude ride, so stick with us as we leap into a world ruled by the ultimate fuzzy overlords. Let's get climbing. How did these bamboo buddies go from tree dwellers to Earth's big shots? So, how did these bamboo-chomping, tree-flipping red pandas go from misty forest dwellers to Earth's big shots? Let's swing into the science, okay? Science with a hefty dose of sci-fi fuzz to figure out why red pandas could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Red pandas are already the MVPs of the treetops, those nimble paws with that clever false thumb, grab bamboo like nobody's business, while their semi-retractile claws make them climbing champs in the Himalayan forest. Their reddish fur and bushy ring tails help them blend into the misty canopy, and they're pros at munching bamboo 98% of their diet. Though they'll snack on fruits or bugs when the mood strikes, they're mostly solo, but get chummy during mating season, chirping like they're planning a forest fiesta. To rule Earth, though, they need a serious brain boost and a sprinkle of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a wild makeover. Maybe a massive bamboo forest boom blankets the continents, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger mammals. Humans never stood a chance. Our ancestors got outclimbed. But red pandas? They're thriving in their misty treetop paradise, ready to steal the spotlight. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their foraging smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just snacking on bamboo, they're strategizing, inventing, maybe even hosting the first red panda tree party. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real stars. That false thumb could evolve into a hand-like grip, perfect for crafting tools from twigs or vines. Their flexible joints and claws might get even sharper, letting them zip through trees or build intricate platforms. Their bamboo-heavy diet could adapt to handle more varied plants, giving them fuel to grow a civilization without needing to hunt. Unlike humans, who needed fire to cook, red pandas could keep it green, thriving in high-altitude forest with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Red pandas are solitary, but not antisocial. They bond through chirps and scent markers during mating season. In our story, they get chattier, evolving whistles and tail flicks into a legit language, like a treetop symphony. Their knack for occasional teamwork could spark cooperation, sharing climbing tricks or bamboo stashing hacks like humans shared stories. Over time, they'd form loose clans, linking treetop villages with vine bridges and scent trails. Why red pandas? They've got the agility, the charm, and the smarts to seize their moment. A bamboo-rich Earth would be their playground, and they'd flip right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their treetop empire looks like. Think misty bamboo villages, glowing moss lanterns, and a whole lot of fuzzy flair. Stay tuned, this red panda takeover is just getting cuddly. We've just swung through how red pandas could evolve into Earth's fuzziest masterminds, with supercharged brains, nimble false thumbs, and a knack for treetop teamwork in their misty Himalayan playground. But what happens when these bamboo-chomping acrobats start building their own empire? Buckle up, because we're about to leap into the vibrant, misty world of a red panda-run planet. Spoiler, it's like a treetop festival with extra flips, chirps, and cozy vibes. Imagine a red panda city perched high in the misty Himalayas, where sprawling bamboo platforms sway gently in the fog, connected by vine bridges that glow with bioluminescent moss lanterns. This isn't some concrete jungle, oh no. The villages are woven from leaves and twigs, nestled in ancient trees, with cozy hollows carved into trunks for dens. Red pandas scamper across branches, their reddish-brown fur and ringed tails flashing as they glide with ninja-like grace. Some hauling bamboo baskets, others just showing off epic spins under the moonlight. It's a bustling, high-altitude metropolis, That's equal parts serene and spectacular, like a fuzzy dream in the clouds. Let's talk society. Because these pandas keep it chill yet connected. They're naturally solitary, loving their own space, but their social side shines when it matters. Like a family reunion in the canopy. Picture elder red pandas. They're for extra plush and whiskers wispy, leading loose clans with wise chirps. And tail flicks. Decisions happen in glowing treetop councils, where pandas whistle and bleat their ideas, tails twirling like fuzzy flags in a super cute debate. It's all about balance, no drama, just harmony, with maybe a group climb to celebrate a solid plan. Their cooperative streak means every panda has a role, from weaving vines to guarding the bamboo stash. Their tech is pure forest wizardry. Forget metal or machines, red pandas craft tools from bamboo and bark, like climbing hooks for scaling trees or leaf funnels to catch mist for water. Their false thumbs make them master builders, stringing up platforms with precision. Picture a red panda engineer, eyes twinkling in the fog, tweaking a wine-powered vine turbine to keep their moss lanterns glowing. They harness mountain mist for hydration, turning dewdrops into a lifeline, keeping their cities lush without harming the forest. It's ecotech so sleek, it makes our factories look like clunky relics. Culture? These pandas are the artists of the canopy. Their art is all about nature. Think intricate bamboo carvings of epic climbs or moss tapestries that shimmer in the twilight. Festivals are a blast, with red pandas performing acrobatic leaps across vine bridges. Their fur catching moonbeams like a fuzzy circus. Picture a twilight ritual where clans gather, chirping in harmony as they celebrate the bamboo harvest, tails swaying like a synchronized dance. Their language, evolved from whistles, bleats, and scent markers, is like a melodic farce song, saying everything from snack time to moons up. Let's climb. It's a culture of quiet joy, where every panda feels like part of a loose, loving pack, bonded by their treetop life. As they spread across Earth's high-altitude forest, their villages connect through vine highways and scent trails, like a fuzzy, misty network stretching from the Himalayas to new bamboo groves. It's a world of agility, charm, and eco-harmony, built on the red panda's knack for thriving in the treetops. But can they keep this misty empire swinging? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they face, from predators to their bamboo obsession. Stay with us, this red panda saga is about to get wilder than a treetop tumble. We've just flipped through the misty, vibrant world of red panda civilization, glowing treetop villages, acrobatic twilight festivals, and tech that's all about bamboo and eco vibes. But ruling Earth isn't all smooth climbing and bamboo snacks, even for these fuzzy, high-altitude champs. So, what challenges could tangle the vines of their treetop empire? Let's swing into the wild. Whiskered witching obstacles our red panda pals might face to keep their misty utopia thriving. First up, the environment is a tricky branch to balance on. Red pandas are the kings of bamboo-rich, high-altitude forest, zipping through the misty Himalayas like fuzzy ninjas. But Earth's not one big bamboo grove. Try ruling scorching deserts, icy tundras, or flat plains with no trees to climb. Expanding beyond their foggy forests means finding or growing bamboo in new terrains. But storms, landslides, or warming climates could shred their vine bridges and dim their moss lanterns. Picture a clan scrambling to secure a swaying platform. As a monsoon roars through, their ringtails whipping in the wind, they need to get super crafty. Maybe weaving storm-proof bamboo shelters or using scent trails to scout new groves to keep their cities standing tall. Then there's the predator problem. Red pandas are small, about the size of a house cat, and evolved predators like snow leopards or giant raptors could see them as a fluffy buffet. Imagine a heart-pounding chase, a squad of red pandas, gripping glowing vine spears, dodging a leopard through a foggy canopy, their chirps echoing like battle cries. Their agility and teamwork could shine, maybe rigging leaf traps to tangle foes in vines. But a pack of predators could overwhelm even the nimblest clan. Venturing into new forest might bring fiercer threats, like evolved martens crashing their twilight feast with a snarl. Biology's another hurdle. Red pandas are bamboo fiends, chowing down on 20 to 30% of their body weight daily, which is a lot for a small critter. Feeding a growing empire on bamboo, plus a side of fruits and bugs, is tough. And overharvesting could strip their forest bare, like humans wreck their crops. Their slow reproduction, 1 to 4 cubs per litter, once a year, means building a global population is a slog. Picture a red panda elder, whiskers twitching, stressing over a shrinking bamboo stash while cubs tumble nearby. Even with sharper brains, balancing snack time with population growth would be a fuzzy puzzle. They need to optimize mist collectors and bamboo farms to keep their clans fed and growing. Sustainability is a major challenge, too. Their bamboo tools and glowing lanterns rely on healthy forests, but a booming civilization could accidentally chomp through too much greenery. Imagine a treetop village flickering as moss runs low. Yikes. They need to use their climbing smarts to monitor ecosystems, maybe inventing scent-based trackers to avoid overharvesting. Their solitary yet cooperative vibe helps, but rapid expansion could upset their forest balance. Like humans trash their lands with sprawl, picture a red panda scout, sniffing the air for signs of overused bamboo, racing to warn the clan. Finally, their chill social structure could wobble. Red pandas love their solo time, but bond when it counts. What if one clan hogs the best bamboo grove? Without strict leaders, disputes over prime trees could turn chirpy councils into tail-flicking tantrums. Imagine a heated treetop debate, with pandas bleeding over missed rights, their fur puffed up in frustration. They'd need epic climb-offs or scent-marred truces to keep the peace, leaning on their loose pack bonds to stay united. Can they outclimb these challenges? Their agility and charms say they've got a shot, but it's a wild treetop tumble. Next, we'll compare their misty world to ours and ask, could these fuzzy champs outshine humans a runnin'? G-Earth, stay with us. This red panda saga is getting wilder than a Himalayan storm. We've just tumbled through the wild challenges. Our red panda champs would face stormy forest, sneaky predators, and their bamboo-munching obsession threatening their misty treetop empire. But how does their fuzzy, high-altitude world stack up against human civilization? Could these acrobatic fluffballs really run Earth better than we did? Let's wrap up this bamboo pack saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us, plus a big, chirpy call to action to keep the adventure swinging. Let's break it down. Humans built mind-blowing stuff, rockets to Mars, glittering cities, apps for instant pizza delivery, but we also trashed the planet with pollution wars and chopped down forests. Red pandas, though, their treetop villages, woven from bamboo and glowing with moss lanterns, are pure forest magic, blending seamlessly with the misty Himalayas instead of bulldozing them. Their solitary yet cooperative clans could dodge our global dramas, settling disputes with chirpy treetop councils or a friendly climb-off. Not conflicts. Picture a red panda elder, tail twirling like a fuzzy flag, combing a spat with a well-timed bleat. That's leadership with heart. But here's the catch. Their bamboo-bound lifestyle limits them. Humans conquer deserts, oceans, and skies with diverse diets and tools, while red pandas might stay tethered to high-altitude forests, missing out on a global empire. Their eco-friendly bamboo tech is charming, but might not spark the wild leaps we made, like inventing Wi-Fi or space probes. Still, their world is a total vibe. Red pandas' climbing agility and mist-catching smarts show us how to thrive in tough spots without wrecking nature. Their diet, chowing down on bamboo like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet, teaches us to live efficiently, using what's around without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their forest with plastic or overharvest their bamboo to oblivion. Their solitary cooperative balance is a masterclass in community. Each panda gets their space, but comes together when it counts, like a family that knows when to hug it out. Their playful resilience, flipping through storms with a chirp, inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the good vibes flowing. Like a red panda nailing a perfect branch leap after a foggy night, it's a wake-up call to treat our own forest with a bit more of their fuzzy love, protecting the misty homes they rely on. So, what's the big takeaway? This red panda utopia isn't just a cuddly thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These tree-hugging superstars already live light in the Himalayas. Imagine what they'd do with a brain boost. Saving their real-world forest means a healthier planet for us, too, keeping those misty canopies lush for their flips and our dreams. Could they outclimb humans at running Earth? Their eco-harmony and charms say they might just swing it, and that's worth cheering for. That's a wrap on our red panda saga. What do you think? Would their treetop wonderland outshine our concrete chaos? Could their fuzzy genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're pumped to hear your chirps. If you love this misty, bamboo-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel climbing. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a red panda ruled world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream up next. Thanks for swinging with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep chirping, stay fuzzy, and we'll see you in the next video.